In the quiet heart of rural Jamaica, where the stars blanket the sky and the moon casts a silvery glow over the lush hills, the night held a special enchantment. In this area, there were no streetlights, the only illumination came from the delicate dance of Peeny Wallies, tiny flying insects with bioluminescent bodies that twinkled like stars come to earth. On a serene Sunday evening, after a soulful church service, Buller and Tiny walked home along the winding path that meandered through fields of tall grass and whispering trees. The fragrance of night-blooming jasmine filled the air, mixing with the sounds of cicadas and distant frogs. It was a journey they cherished, both for the company and the peaceful surroundings. As they made their way, the first Peeny Wallies emerged, their soft green lights flickering in the dark like fireflies in a dream. "Look at them," Tiny exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with wonder. "It's as if the stars have decided to join our walk." Buller chuckled, a broad smile spreading across his face. "They follow us like old friends, lighting our way." He watched as the little creatures danced around them, occasionally landing on Tiny's arm before taking off again, illuminating her laughter. Tiny felt a warmth in her heart, not just from the gentle glow of the Peeny Wallies but from the closeness she shared with Buller. They spoke in soft tones about their day, the church service, and dreams of the future. The path was familiar, yet each step felt new, bathed in the enchanting light of the tiny insects. Suddenly, they paused, captivated by a cluster of Peeny Wallies that had gathered around a nearby tree, creating a glowing halo. "It looks like a fairy circle," Tiny said, stepping closer. "I wonder if fairies really do exist." Buller shook his head, chuckling softly. "Maybe they do, and they're just waiting for the right moment to reveal themselves." He stepped beside her, both of them mesmerized by the magic surrounding them. Continuing their journey, the Peeny Wallies illuminated their path like tiny lanterns guiding them home. In that moment, under the vast expanse of the Caribbean sky, Buller and Tiny felt an unspoken promise, a bond woven together by love, laughter, and the soft glow of the Peeny Wallies lighting their way. As they reached Tiny's doorstep, the little insects began to fade into the night. Buller looked at her, and in that fleeting moment, they both knew that no matter how dark the path ahead, they would always find their way through life together, guided by each other's light.